ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। हर हर महादेव। Shravan month Mahatmya, chapter 28. Method of offering Arghya to Agastya ji. God said, O son of Brahma, now I will describe the best method of offering Arghya to Agastya ji, by doing which a man gets all the desired fruits. One should know the rule of the time before the rise of Agastya. When some Ratri, that is 8 or 10 nights, are left for the rise, then offer Arghya daily from 7 nights before the time of rise. I will tell you its method. On the day when one starts offering Arghya, after taking bath with white sesame seeds in the morning, a householder should wear white garland and white clothes and install a pot made of gold, etc., which is without holes, filled with 5 gems, combined with ghee, many types of edible items like modak, etc., and fruits decorated with garland and clothes, and decorated with a full copper vessel placed on top. Place a golden statue of Agastya ji on that vessel, who is the size of a thumb, in the form of a man, has 4 arms, is adorned with thick and long arm sticks, faces south, is beautiful, has a peaceful mind, has matted hair, holds a water pot, is surrounded by many disciples, holds kusha and rice in his hands, invokes sage Agastya with Lopa Mudra and worship him with 16 remedies like fragrance, flowers, etc., and many types of offerings. After this, with a devotional mind, offer him a sacrifice of curd and rice. After this, offer Arghya, whose method is as follows. In a vessel made of gold, silver, copper, or bamboo, put orange, dates, coconut, kushmand, bitter gourd, banana, pomegranate, brinjal, bija or a lemon, walnut, pistachio, blue lotus, lotus, kusha, durva sprout, other types of available fruits and flowers, various edible items, 7 grains, 7 sprouts, 5 leaves and clothes, and worship the vessel properly. Again, kneeling down, bowing the head, touching the vessel to the head, facing downwards, meditate on Agastya Muni in this way and carefully offer Arghya with reverence and devotion. O Agastya, who is like the Kash Pushp, born from fire and air and son of Mitra Varun, salutations to you. O Devrishi, who stops the growth of Vindhya, who removes the poison from the water of the clouds, the owner of gems and who lives in Lanka, salutations to you. Salutations again and again to Agastya ji, who devoured Atapi and Vatapi, the husband of Lopa Mudra, the mighty and the gentleman. Salutations again and again to him whose rise destroys all sins, mental and physical diseases, and all 3 types of sufferings, divine, physical, and spiritual. Salutations to Agastya ji, who had dried up the sea full of aquatic animals in the past, along with his son, disciple, and wife. The wise Brahmins should offer obeisance to Agastya ji with the Vedic mantra Agastasya Nadbhyaha, and the Shudras should offer obeisance to him with the Puranic mantra. After this, offer obeisance to Lopa Mudra. O daughter of a prince, O great one, O wife of a sage, O well behaved, O Lopa Mudra, salutations to you. Please accept my obeisance. After this, offer 8,000 or 108 oblations of ghee with the Arghya mantra. After doing this, bow to Agastya ji and then immerse him by saying, O Agastya, who has a character beyond wisdom, I have worshipped you properly, so after accomplishing my worldly and spiritual task, please depart. After immersing Agastya ji in this way, offer all the material to a poor and householder Brahmin who is a scholar of Vedas and Vedangas, and say, the honored Agastya ji should accept him as a Brahmin. It is Agastya who accepts, it is Agastya who gives, and it is Agastya who can save both. Salutations to Agastya ji again and again. Make the donation by reciting both the mantras. Brahmins, etc., should recite the Vedic mantra prescribed earlier, and Shudras should recite the Puranic mantra. After that, donate a white cow with golden horns, milk-giving calf, silver hooves, copper-backed, extremely beautiful, with a bronze udder, and decorated with a bell and clothes. After offering Arghya in this manner 7 days before the sunrise of Agastya Muni, donate the cow along with Dakshina on the 7th day. By observing this fast for 7 years, a selfless person does not take rebirth, and a selfish person becomes a world-renowned emperor and is blessed with beauty and health. A Brahmin becomes a scholar of the 4 Vedas and all the scriptures. A Kshatriya acquires the entire earth up to the sea. A Vaishya acquires wealth, grains, and cattle. Shudras acquire a lot of wealth, health, and truth. Women get sons, their fortune increases, and the house becomes prosperous. O son of Brahma, the great virtue of widows increases. A daughter gets a husband endowed with beauty and virtues, and a sad person is freed from disease. In the countries where Agastya is worshipped by men, the clouds rain according to the wishes of the people. Natural calamities are eradicated and diseases are destroyed. Whoever recites or listens to this offering of Agastya, those best men are freed from sins and after living on earth for a long time, go to heaven in a plane with swans. Those who do this without any selfish motive throughout their lives are entitled to salvation. In this way, the 28th chapter named Agastya Arghya Vidhi was completed in the greatness of Shravan month in Ishwar Sanat Kumar Samvad under Sri Sakand Puran. All those who are listening, please say with me, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Om Namah Shivaya.